Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Find X5 Lite, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first let's unlock our SIM card. To do that we should enter our PIN code, and after that let's just open the settings application and scroll down to the password and security. Then click here to system security and you'll see SIM card lock section. Tap here once, and just to remove SIM pin we should click here once on the switch or near lock SIM card section. And just right now we should enter the currently PIN code. In my case that's from 1 to 4, and then just tap here to OK, and that's it. We just successfully removed SIM pin from SIM card on our OPPO device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.